Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about spring washer with boundary surface. So left side you can see the spring washer, and right side this is the boundary surface. So I am going to create this surface and then I am going to add thickness to this surface. So let's start now. So this is how I am going to create. So in my previous video I have explained about the same washer in solid modeling. So you can check the description or end screen. So now I am going to create this washer. Select the top plane, go to sketch, draw a circle, this is 60 mm, come out of the sketch, go to helix command and select this. So we have to select pitch and revolution with variable pitch, and here we have to select 10 and 10 here, and the start angle I'm going to keep 180 degrees. So this is one. So I'm going to create one more curve. So I'm going to draw one circle. So this I am going to take 30 mm and come out of the sketch. Now go to helix curve and select this circle. So similarly we have to select variable pitch and P as 10 mm and say OK. So we have two curves, and these two are similar to concentric circles. Now I am going to surface module and boundary surface. So we have to select this and we have to select these two curves. See here. So these are the start points and end points. So we have to keep as it is and say OK. See here. Now this surface has been created. We can see here boundary surface. So now we have to add thickness. So select the surface. So here I am going to take 2 mm. So we can select any option. So I am going to select thicken both sides and say OK. See here. Now I am going to hide all the curves. See. So this is how we create with the surface. So in previous video I have explained the same spring washer with swept boss. So you can watch that video. So this is brief about spring washer with boundary surface. Thanks for watching.